All right, we got the wheel upgrade. Let's see what we can do. Let's get a super here. Not getting the super. Oh, grand? Okay. Anybody see that glitch? Okay, that's good. We needed that. Really needed that. We have one. Why is it really slow? We're definitely filling it up though. Now it's not slow. Okay, we'll take it. We will take it. Keep coming. Let's go. We got 3 now. We're liking our chances a little bit more. It was very slim in the beginning. Let's go. We're up to 4, still have 2 left. Let's see them hats. Let's go. We got 5 now. We have a lot of potentials. 6, 7. One more game. Let's see some hats. Hats, hats. Let's go. We love that. The board is filling. This is what it looks like after. Not bad, not bad.